Hey everybody, Dave Bartosiak with trending stocks at Zacks.com. Nowadays, there's a custom box subscription to fix every single problem that you might have. If you're terrible at picking fruits and vegetables, they got a box. If you're too lazy to buy razor blades at Walgreens, they got a box. There's even a box for folks that have oddly shaped heads and can't embrace the beauty that is bald. For the folks out there that couldn't quite piece together the right outfit for singles night at the bowling alley, there was Stitch Fix. As the name suggests, the company would fix your terrible dressing habits by sending you boxes full of matching outfits to make you look like you have some fashion sense, even if you're a guy who walks around looking like he always got dressed in the dark. This model was great. The subscription revenue was sticky, meaning folks maintain their subscriptions, and Stitch Fix makes the big bucks. Now let's take a look at the price, consensus, and EPS surprise chart on Zacks.com for Stitch Fix so you can see what I mean. The black line here represents the stock's price. The multicolored lines that you see chopping around here are our Zacks consensus estimates and how they evolve over time. Those correspond to this left y-axis. Now, throughout the course of 2018, 2019, you can see EPS coming in better than expected for Stitch Fix, while these estimates creep up. It's a little bit of growth. Everything's all good and fine and dandy. And then lofty expectations heading into that fiscal year 2022. That's what we wanted to see. Lofty expectations for fiscal year 2021 and pretty decent bar set there for the end of 2019, or for 2020 rather. And then what happened? Overpromise, underdeliver. Look at the way this 2021 estimate just falls off a cliff straight down to being less than break even. So the company went ahead and promised, like, yeah, 2022, that's when we're going to come to profitability. That's when everything's going to be okay. And then those expectations kept ratcheting on down. So what happened? Well, stock price came down as well. But here's where there's been a little bit of a disconnect. While we had some growth expectations that, again, fell off for 2022, 2021 never looked good and got worse. And 2020 got worse. Now, remember what happened in the economy, folks. We were all at home. So you would think that an online business that's going to send you clothes so that you don't have to go out anywhere to buy clothes is going to do just fine, but it didn't. So a little bit of a head scratcher there. While the EPS went down, the stock flew through the roof. That's sort of the opposite of what you want to see. You want to see earnings estimates creeping up while the stock price is going down. Here we had stock price going up with estimates going down. Maybe that's why it should not come as a surprise that today the company reported earnings, a Q2 loss of 20 cents on revenues of $504 million. While that was more narrow than expected, the revenue number missed the mark, and their revenue guidance, 2.02 to 2.05 billion, is also shy of expectations. So what you can expect now over the course of the next few weeks is that these EPS numbers are probably going to drop even further. Estimates coming down, and I would bet that the stock continues to tumble. So it shouldn't come as a surprise. Stitch Fix under pressure today, got down to 47.51 after closing yesterday at 68.52 and peaking at 113.76 in late January. So what happened? Well, they switched up their business model a little bit. Now you can go on the site and buy without being a subscriber. You can pick whatever you want to buy. You can go ahead and mismatch yourself. Now that's detracting from the original subscription business model and putting the company in a competition that obviously it's just not winning right now. So let me know what you think about its business in the comments below. Should Stitch Fix get back to a subscription-only model so they can flex their muscle with their data sciences that figure out how you should be dressing? I don't know. Every time you share this video, someone wearing Stitch Fix gets a date with one of those girls from the mall kiosks. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, Twitter @Bartosiasics, And be sure to check out Zacks.com/promo for this week's awesome promotion that we've got going on for you. With Trending Stocks, I'm Dave Bartosiak.